Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to hide subscriber count in your YouTube channel. To do that, all you have to do is go to YouTube. As you reach inside YouTube channel, make sure to click on the right upper corner. As you click on the right upper corner, go to YouTube Studio. As you click on YouTube Studio, you will reach out to YouTube Studio, and in here you have to scroll down and move on to an option on the left lower corner. Click on Settings. As you click on Settings, you will see multiple options in here. All you have to do is go to Channel, and in Channel go to Advanced Settings. As you go to Advanced Settings, scroll down and you can see the display the number of people subscribed to my channel. For example, currently we have a YouTube channel. We open it and let's see what it is in there. Okay, we open your channel. You can see there's no subscribers. It's already mentioned. So if you click on display the number of people subscribed and click on save, which means we are actually hiding the subscription count, and click on save. As you click on save, let's see if complete. We will reload this page and see if it works. Now you will see that there is no line in here, even though this channel has no subscriptions yet, but this shows that there is people won't know if there is a subscriber or not, so it's actually hidden. So that's how you can hide your YouTube subscriber count in your YouTube Studio. So if you think this video was for you and it would really help you, please make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.